The Kalij pheasant, Lophiuroleucomelinus, is a striking bird belonging to the Phasianidae family, which includes other well-known game birds like pheasants, partridges, and peafowls. Native to the forests of the Himalayan foothills, this bird is known for its beautiful plumage, diverse subspecies, and important ecological role in its native habitat. Kalij pheasants are medium-sized birds, with males typically measuring about 63 to 70 centimeters 25 to 29 inches in length, including their long tails, and females being slightly smaller, around 50 to 60 centimeters 20 to 24 inches. Males are visually striking with their glossy blue-black plumage, adorned with white streaks on their bodies, a red face wattle, and bright red legs. Their long tails are distinctly marked with white and black patterns. Females, in contrast, have more subdued coloring, predominantly brown with pale barring, which provides them with camouflage in the forest undergrowth. Both sexes have strong legs and a stout, curved bill adapted for foraging on the ground. There are several recognized subspecies of the Kalij pheasant, each adapted to specific regions within its range. These subspecies exhibit slight variations in plumage and size. Some notable subspecies include Lophiuroleucomelinus, found in the central and eastern Himalayas. Lophiuroleucomelinus hamiltoni occurs in northern India and Nepal. Lophiuroleucomelinus melanota inhabits the western Himalayas. Kalij pheasants are distributed across the Himalayan foothills, from Pakistan through India, Nepal, Bhutan, and into northern Myanmar. They inhabit a range of forest types, including subtropical, temperate, and evergreen forests, typically at elevations between 1,000 to 3,000 meters 300 to 9,800 feet. Kalij pheasants prefer dense undergrowth and forest edges, where they can forage on the forest floor while remaining relatively concealed from predators. They are ground-dwelling birds, though they are capable of short flights when necessary. Their diet primarily consists of seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. They play an essential role in their ecosystem by helping to disperse seeds and control insect populations. Kalij pheasants are generally shy and elusive, making them challenging to observe in the wild. They are typically found in small family groups or pairs, especially during the breeding season. These birds are known for their distinctive calls, which they use to communicate with each other and to establish territory. Males are particularly vocal during the breeding season, emitting a series of loud, clear whistles to attract females and deter rival males. The breeding season for Kalij pheasants typically occurs in the spring and early summer, though this can vary slightly depending on the region. Males perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females, which include puffing up their feathers, spreading their tails, and vocalizing loudly. Females build their nests on the ground, usually concealed in dense vegetation. The nest is a simple scrape in the soil, lined with leaves and other plant material. A typical clutch consists of 4 to 6 eggs, which the female incubates for about 24 to 25 days. During this period, the male may remain nearby to guard the territory and protect the female and eggs from predators. Once the chicks hatch, they are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile shortly after birth. The female leads the chicks in search of food, teaching them to forage for seeds, insects, and other small prey. The chicks grow rapidly and can fly short distances within a few weeks, though they remain with their mother for several months before becoming fully independent. The Kalij pheasant is currently listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). However, like many wildlife species, it faces threats from habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and human encroachment. Additionally, hunting for food and sport poses a significant risk in some areas. Conservation efforts for the Kalij pheasant focus on habitat protection and management, as well as enforcing hunting regulations to prevent overexploitation. Protected areas and national parks within its range provide crucial refuges for this species and help maintain healthy populations. Kalij pheasants hold cultural importance in some regions of their range. In parts of India and Nepal, they are often featured in local folklore and traditions. Their striking appearance and behavior make them a favorite among birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts, contributing to ecotourism in their native habitats. Studying Kalij pheasants in the wild provides valuable insights into their behavior, ecology, and the health of their forest habitats. Researchers use various methods to monitor these birds, including direct observation, camera traps, and radio telemetry. These studies help inform conservation strategies and ensure the long-term survival of the species. The Kalij pheasant is a captivating and important bird species native to the Himalayan foothills. Its striking appearance, unique behaviors, and ecological role make it a key component of its native ecosystems. While currently not endangered, ongoing conservation efforts are essential to protect this species from the growing threats of habitat loss and hunting. By preserving the Kalij pheasant and its habitat, we can ensure the continued biodiversity and health of the forests it calls home.
Thanks for your subscribe, like, and comment.